We'll guide you through how to find the Watch Later playlist and videos on YouTube. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really useful to go and do, as over time you've probably been adding videos to it. For example, I'll come to this video here. If I go and scroll along at the bottom here, I'll find save and I'll go and tap on it. And as you can see, it's now been saved to watch later. You may have done this before, or you can do it now, it doesn't matter. Now to go and get to the Watch Later place, you need to go to the bottom right of YouTube and go and tap on the U button like so. Now what you need to do is scroll down. You may go and see it in playlists here, or you can go and scroll along. If you still can't see it, go over to the right and tap on View All, and you should go and see the Watch Later playlist. You can then go and tap on it like so, and you should go and see the different videos. As you can see, I've just got 2 here, you may have more. What you can then do is tap on Play All to watch them, or if you want to go and remove a video from it, tap the 3 dots to the right, and you can go and remove it from here. It's that simple.